Do you know the power of these 5 superfoods? In the world of nutrition, the term superfood is no stranger. These are power-packed foods, rich in nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, that play a crucial role in maintaining our health and wellness. They're not just foods, they're nature's very own medicine cabinet. Among the multitude of superfoods, there are 5 that stand out. They're common, flavorful, and probably sitting in your kitchen right now. We're talking about garlic, ginger, onion, turmeric, and chili powder. These 5 champions pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. From boosting your immune system and aiding digestion to supporting heart health and revving up your metabolism, these superfoods are the unsung heroes of health and wellness. So, are you ready to unlock their power and give your health a boost? Let's dive into the incredible benefits of each of these superfoods. Garlic, the immunity booster. Garlic, a common kitchen staple, is a powerhouse of health benefits. Beneath its pungent exterior lies a wealth of goodness. Its star compound, allicin, is released when garlic is crushed or chewed, making it a serious immunity booster. Regular consumption of garlic can reduce the frequency of colds by half and even shorten their duration by nearly 70%. But garlic doesn't stop there. It's also a friend to your heart, helping to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and prevent blood clotting. Plus, studies suggest that garlic's antioxidants may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, like stomach and colorectal cancer. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a health enhancer. Ginger, the inflammation fighter. Ginger, the fiery root that adds a zing to your meals, is a superfood with incredible health benefits. Its gingerols are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation, making it a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis. Ginger is also a digestive hero. It speeds up stomach emptying, helping with discomfort after meals. And if you're feeling nauseous, whether from motion sickness, morning sickness, or post-surgery, ginger comes to the rescue. It's even great for easing muscle pain after a tough workout. From fighting inflammation to aiding digestion and relieving pain, ginger is a jack of all trades in the world of superfoods. Onion, the heart helper. Onions, often seen as tearjerkers, are actually heart helpers. Packed with antioxidants like quercetin, onions help reduce high blood pressure, prevent blood clots, and keep your heart strong. But that's not all. Onions are also inflammation fighters, thanks to their sulfur-containing compounds. They've even been linked to improved bone density, especially in older women, by aiding calcium absorption. So, the next time you chop an onion, remember, it's not just adding flavor to your dish, it's boosting your heart, fighting inflammation, and building stronger bones. Turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice, is a treasure trove of health benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. It fights inflammation as effectively as some medications, but without the side effects. Turmeric's benefits go even further. Studies suggest it may help prevent Alzheimer's by crossing the blood-brain barrier and tackling inflammation and oxidative damage. Early research also shows promise in its potential to fight cancer at a molecular level. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a golden key to a healthier life. Chili powder, the metabolism booster. Chili powder, the fiery superfood, is packed with capsaicin, a compound that gives it its heat and health benefits. Capsaicin boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest, making it a great ally for weight loss. But chili powder doesn't stop there. It's also good for your heart, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of blood clots. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. So, don't shy away from adding a little spice to your meals. It's heating up your metabolism and your health. The power of superfoods in your kitchen. These 5 superfoods, garlic, ginger, onion, turmeric, and chili powder, are more than just ingredients. They're nature's way of keeping you healthy. From boosting immunity and fighting inflammation to supporting heart health and revving up your metabolism, these kitchen staples are your secret weapons for wellness. So, the next time you're cooking, remember, the key to good health might just be sitting in your spice rack. Spice up your meals and your life with these incredible superfoods. What's your favorite superfood? Let us know in the comments below.